So indeed, this year's celebration is very, very special to each and every Meghalayan and to each and every Indian.
Meghalaya ringkat bat kari berok kawai menta ka Sngi kala Rakhe ya ka Sngi Republic Day ba Hynniew pulai. Hakabai day bat kani jeng Rakhe Menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad kes sangma ulapan here kalama lai rong jong kari India. Hakani ka Sngi layo ro ka jeng yat parit ba itanat bat berhenti jong sipai ki CRPF ki pulit bat ki khana nagi skol ka Jylla. Lapan song kon sho ikani ka Sngi dagi jeng tem jeng pot jong ka border wing bat home guard. Habakran kani ka Sngi Menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad ke sangma ula ong ba kani ka jing Rakhe ya kani ka Sngi Republic Day ka long ka basngol tenat namar ba mentau snam ka Meghalaya ru ka Rakhe ka jing dap san pau snam jong ka jing yo Jylla ba pura. Konrad ke sangma ula ong ru ba klem da kadokti yano kani ka Jylla kala roy bon sha ban ya ki snam baladap. Ula ong ru badaki lak kinong song snong kilayo hadu ki ying lingba ka jing pentrai kam ya ka skim penbiang balabay pisa dak sarkar India. Ula ong ru bak sarkar kala yo ya ka jaka ka ba palat praspa eka Hynniew Shillong township hakaba ansala bandra no ek secretariat bat ki wei ki office trai kam jong ka sarkar syakatai ka jaka. Hadien ladon ka jing pen I ya ka rong ka tau ki jing trai kam jong ki tanat sarkar ba pher ladon ru ka jing pen pana ba jing sam khusnam ya ki ba job ha ki penta ba pher Hakani ka Sngi lapan po pen pieng ya ka program de jing pen I ya ka call shore jong ka Jylla balapan ko buram ru iki COVID-19 frontliners ki ba kun top ya ki ba buon ki badon benta ban ya kon ya ka klam hala ka jong ka benta.
Is a very, very special year for each and every one of us. Apart from being the 73rd Republic Day, we are also celebrating 50 years of our statehood. This year also happens to be the year where we are celebrating the 75th year of our independence. At the same time, this is also the 125th birth anniversary of late Subhash Chandra Bose. It is this governance that we have done in the last 4 years that has seen 4,000 families had pipe connection through water. Honorable Prime Minister mentioned this on the 21st of January. That in 2019, in the rural areas, there were 4,000 families or houses that had water through pipe. Only 4,000. And he has congratulated Meghalaya that today, within a matter of year and a half, in spite of the COVID challenges, there are over 2 lakh families today who now receive water through pipe, touching almost 12 lakh individuals in the state. This is the kind of governance and focus that we have done. There was a time in 2018 when there was not a single flight that came out of Shillong. There's a big challenge because the entire mountain had to be cut. Huge investment had to be made because without that, the instrument landing system would not work. We took the bold decision to invest the money, chop off those mountains in order to ensure that connectivity improves to Shillong. And I'm happy to inform you that that decision that we took today has led to over 7 flights coming to Shillong from different cities. Over 300 passengers coming in every day. And I can assure you that this connectivity will only keep increasing in the days to come. Connectivity is very important for our region. Today, a distance of almost 20 hours, 24 hours by road at a point in time to Imphal is covered in less than 30 minutes directly from Shillong. This is the kind of connectivity that we require. As a state, we have huge challenges in finance. Though the state has its own revenue of close to 3,000 crores, though we have our own central taxes of over 5,000 crores coming in, yet we do need the additional funds for infrastructure development and different economic growths. And that is the reason why we realize that we need to tap the external agencies. In 2018, there were 2,500 crores worth of projects going on under the externally aided projects. Today, after we have tapped the external agencies, we have been able to mobilize 7,500 crores from external agencies to do huge number of projects in tourism, in water catchment area, natural resource management, road construction, integrated transport system, early childhood development program, and many other programs under the externally aided projects.